that, kids. I miss you all, and I'm very much looking forward to next week when we can reconnect again. I just wanted to send just a touch base with you all, letting you know on two things, some updates on the AP and the College Board, and then also some information about next week and what to expect with our particular course. So first, the College Board. The College Board has released some information regarding the exam. Not a lot of information. In fact, right now they're still on the fence of dates and how they're going to implement the exam. But right now it's official. They are cutting back on 2 units. So we only have 2 more units to cover in the AP Stat curriculum. So I think it was a really good decision and something that's really manageable for us all to finish and learn with competency. So we only have section 6 and 7 to cover. Section 5, as you can see in our Google Classroom, is what we just ended with. So that's what you should be reviewing in the last 2 weeks here. So that's really good news for us. And then the second thing I want to mention is the Google Classroom and how next week's going to work. So next week, a lot of you are seeing it on your phones, maybe something like this as I keep posting things, it keeps, in the stream. I recommend you actually go to Google on the classwork side. The classwork side is how you can locate the information that we're going to be doing each week. So this coming week, when we begin our online learning, we will be focusing on Unit 6. So as you can see here, on Monday, I would like to cover this section. And in this particular section is where I'll host all of the documents. So when I do the Zoom meeting, I will post and record the Zoom meeting right embedded into this topic that's right here. So for me in the art class, all the topics are listed that we need to cover in Unit 6. And all of the files and documents, if I do a PDF of the homework, it'll be listed here. Once the Zoom meeting is over with, I will post it and put it into this section that's right here. Speaking of Zoom meetings, the Zoom meetings will be at the top. I didn't put a topic for it, so it's just listed at the very top of the classwork. So our first Zoom meeting will be on Monday at 9:30. I'm taking the times that were allotted from Mrs. Lapira for Block 1 and Block 4. You do not need to attend any of these Zoom meetings because they're all recorded. So that's the beauty of online learning, is the flexibility of the timing and what you can manage for yourselves and your schedules. So do not feel obligated to join us. If you can, we would, you are welcome, but it is not required of you to join in on these meetings at all. When I host a meeting, I will record it. Another piece of information I wanted to share is that we will check in. If you would like to host your face, sort of the way you see maybe my face on the image here, we can check in with each other, but as soon as I start recording the meeting, I will ask that you disable your picture and your image of your faces in the Zoom meeting. So once I push record, I will ask that we remove faces. So if we want to touch base for like 2 or 3 minutes at the beginning when I open up the meeting, that's fine. But once I push record, we have to disable our images, just to let you know. And if your image doesn't show up in the Chromebook, that's fine. You do not need your image to be shown. And so hopefully that'll go well. In each day, I have a time selected. So as you can see, on Monday and Thursday, we'll be meeting at 9:30. And then on Wednesday and Tuesday at the 1 o'clock time slot. So I think that's it for me. So I will see you, or at least some of you, on Monday. And you will go to the Zoom meeting here at 9:30. And if you aren't able to check in with us then you'll go to Monday 3:30 for Section 8. And embedded in this document will be the Zoom meeting that I post. And any other documents that we include in that meeting will be posted right here. So that's it for me. Hope all is well. We are hanging in there at our house. We're getting home cooked meals every day, which is nice, and trying to get caught up with laundry. Do a little exercise each day. So I'm hoping the same for you all, health and stay healthy, and to continue to take care of each other in your household. Take care, and hopefully we'll reconnect next week. Bye.